Dobre, Fisher Rasen Lovers, selamat siang Rasen Lovers. Today I'm going to make pie brownies or brownies pie from this one, Tartaletka Delia Zakusok. So here is a pie skin, instant one that I bought. Consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10, I think it's enough. But you can find later the recipe in YouTube how to make your own skin, your own pie skin. Nah, jadi ini bisa dilihat cara pembuatannya gimana, cara membuat kulit pie-nya sendiri. Tapi saya beli yang ada aja ya. So I just use the available one. Okay, so all I need to do, I just have to fill to make the filling. Jadi apa yang harus saya lakukan itu tinggal buat isiannya. Nah, kita butuh 2 telur, so 2 eggs. Tada, you will use whole egg, 2 eggs. Jadi 2 butir telur digunakan semua. Kemudian 150 gram gula halus, 135 gram of sugar powder, or in Russia it's called Sarnaya Pudra. Nah, ini ya, 135 gram gula halus. Oke, nah kemudian 150 gram dark cooking chocolate, 150 gram, so 150 gram of dark cooking chocolate here. I use only the dark chocolate that I have. This is with peanut hazelnut, and also some is used Mindal or almond. Nah ini ya, ini. Jadi ini saya pakai campuran. Jadi coklat dark coklat tapi yang ada kacang-kacangnya, itu kacang almond sama kacang hazelnut. Ini sebanyak 150 gram. And 50 gram of margarine or butter. I use butter. This one unsalted one. Nah ini saya gunakan 50 gram mentega atau butter. Ini yang tawar ya. Boleh pakai margarin. Saya nggak ada sih margarin, cuma nanti beda. So here 50 gram, 50 gram butter. We are going to melt this. And then 40 milliliter of cooking oil. 40 milliliter. 40 milliliter minyak makan. So here we are going to put this all together. We are going to melt it. You can use microwave or you can use the steam one. Jadi ini dilelehkan dulu, bisa pakai microwave ya. Nah, kita lelehkan seperti ini dulu. Oke, kemudian setelah itu ada 100 gram terigu, so here 100 gram of flour. Kemudian 35 gram coklat bubuk. This one I have 35 gram of cocoa powder. 35 gram coklat bubuk. Udah gitu aja, that's all. And of course this pie skin. Nah, ini ya, kulit pie. Okay, so prepare the whisk and bowl. Here we're going to put eggs here. Kita akan letakkan 2 telur di sini. Tapi sebelumnya kita lelehkan dulu. First we are going to melt it, this one. So this 3 ingredient, chocolate, butter, and also cooking oil, we are going to melt it. I'm going to use microwave, not too long, until all mix well. Jadi jangan terlalu lama ya, sampai dia tercampur rata aja. So like this, we step aside, let it cool a bit, just a bit. See here. So there is crunchy dari kacangnya, itu jadi enak ya. One more. For topping I'm going to use cherry Viznya. Ini ya, saya gunakan Viznya Vesovaya Suho Frutti. So dry cherry. Okay, so wait until it becomes cool and I will come back. Tunggu sampai dia udah agak mendingan, maksudnya udah nggak panas, nggak terlalu panas lagi, baru saya akan membuat adonannya. Okay, now we are going to whisk this 2 eggs together with sugar. But first I'm going to whisk this one first. Jadi telurnya dulu saya aduk ya. And if already like this, I'm going to put sugar. Sugar here. Kita masukkan gula. And we're going to mix until it becomes mixed well. Ini ya, jadi kita akan kocok sampai gulanya larut. So until the sugar become dissolved. So there will be, if not dissolved, it will be not good for the top of your brownies pie. Nanti ada tekstur crack-cracknya gitu. Itu ya. Okay, then already dissolved well for sugar, udah larut ya gulanya. Sekarang kita masukkan yang campuran lelehan coklat tadi. So we are going to put here, ya, masukkan semuanya. Together. Tinggal diratakan, and then we just have to stir. Kalau susah pakai whisk ya. Nah, it's hard use like this. And then we stir, kita ratakan. Sampai rata ya. You can use whisk or you can use spatula. Meanwhile, you can preheat your oven to 100 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Nah, sementara kita mengaduk ini, sementara kita masukkan, kita panaskan dulu oven suhu 200 derajat Celsius, but it depends on your oven temperature. So it's different. Jadi tergantung oven masing-masing ya. Kita panaskan dulu, kalau saya 200 derajat Celsius, panaskan 15 menit. Then we are going to put flour. Nah, karena kita tinggal aduk sedikit demi sedikit dulu ya, so a little bit by a little bit. Enggak dia berat. Nah, like this again, aja semua ya. Kemudian kasih coklat bubuk dan cocoa powder here. And you stir all together until all mixed well. Tinggal kita aduk sampai dia rata. This. Now we are going to fill this, and then we are going to put topping of cherry. Nah, tinggal kita isi seperti itu ya. Better use careful. Nah, make it like this, diratakan. Make it full, dan seterusnya ya. Saya kasih contoh satu dulu. Nah, jadi satu dulu ya. Nah, diginiin, diratakan. Ups, jadi makannya enak. Udah, tinggal dikasih warna-warna kemerahan. Dikasih matanya, sih udah ada. Kemudian dikasih, boleh dikasih apa ya, rambut mungkin, enggak lah, pakai ini aja. Dikasih mulutnya, cuing, kok sejam ya. Nah, jadi seperti ini, kan? Oke, dan seterusnya begitu. Oke, now I'm going to bake this for 25 minutes, selama 25 menit. After you already preheat your oven for 200 degrees Celsius, reduce your heat of your oven 160 degrees Celsius or to the lowest one. Jadi sesudah dipanaskan ovennya 200 derajat Celsius, sudah 15 menit and let it for 50 minutes. Nah, baru diturunkan panasnya jadi yang paling kecil atau 160 derajat Celsius. So this is it, the result of my mini brownies pie. So here, berkah, so fluffy but moist. Jadi dia lembut ya. Nah, ini ada kacangnya. So this one there is almond, this one hazelnut. So it's awesome. See, this is what I like. Actually, not already a bit brown. I bake around 30 minutes because I want to make it crunchy. So it depends on your preference. If you don't want your pie become like this, become brown and become more crunchy, then make it 25. But overall, it's very delicious. See, look, how awesome. Okay, you should try this at home. It's very delicious. See, look, dia enak sekali ya. Jadi tanpa ditambahkan kacang, dia sudah ada tekstur kacangnya itu. So without I add almond or hazelnut or any kind of peanut for toppings, I already get the taste of nut, or I mean the almond and hazelnut taste. Jadi sudah ada rasa kacangnya. Panas. See, oh. Manisnya pas. It's very delicious. So not too bitter, not too sweet. Exactly what I want. So it's very delicious. You should try this. Jadi ini enak sekali ya. Jadi manisnya enggak kebangetan, pas dan crunchy. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. You should try this at home. It's very delicious. I think that's all for today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di share, di like, di komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu gak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. Tetap stretchy. До свидания. Rational words. Пока-пока. Sampai jumpa lagi. Nah, ini jadi cantik sekali ya hasilnya. This is very awesome. Ini bisa ditaruh di kulkas ya. You can put into freezer, so no freezer, refrigerator. So it will be good. See, fudgy, but not hard. It's not chewy, it's moist. It's good. Jadi ini lembut, enak sekali. Okay.